In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Google Sheets easily. If you're looking to enhance the readability of your spreadsheets with simple bullet points, you've come to the right place. Bullet points can organize your information clearly, marking each item distinctly. So, let's dive in and explore how to do this in just a few simple steps. Firstly, go ahead and open the Google Sheet where you want to add the bullet points. Once you have your sheet open, you'll need to select the specific cell you want to work on. To start editing that cell, just double-click on it. This will allow you to enter edit mode, making it possible for you to add or modify text. After you have the cell in edit mode, place your cursor exactly where you want the bullet point to appear. Now, depending on your operating system, the steps will vary slightly. If you are using a Windows computer, hold down the Alt key and then press the number 7 on your numeric keypad. Remember to ensure that your numlock is on. If it's off, this step might not work, so double-check that setting if you encounter any issues. For Mac users, the process is a tiny bit different. Hold down the Option key, and while maintaining that, press and hold the Shift key. Then, simply press 9. This key combination will create a bullet point in your selected cell. Once you see the bullet, tap the spacebar. This action will separate the bullet from the subsequent text, giving your content a neat appearance. There's also an alternative method using formulas, which might be particularly useful if you plan to insert bullet points into multiple cells. In a blank cell, type the formula kick-char 8226. Execute this function, and it will insert a bullet point symbol right there in the cell. This can be copied and pasted into other cells as needed. And there you have it. A simple and efficient way to enhance your Google Sheets with bullet points. Whether you use the keyboard shortcuts or the formula approach, these bullet points will help make your data presentation clearer and more professional. I hope you find this guide helpful and that it simplifies your spreadsheet tasks. Feel free to repeat these steps whenever you need to add bullet points in the future. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting!